Hey guys, this will be a quick little video on how to change the how to make your engine freewheel. So Mega Hedgehog X has already did this, but in case you didn't see his video, I'm going to show you. So I'm going to be doing it on Thomas. You can be doing it on any engine. So take off the shell. That's step one. Throw it somewhere, but keep it beside the thing. Then you're gonna unscrew that. Okay, so you're gonna unscrew that hole right there. That hole. So that hole. I'm sorry about the background noise. My mom is just watching a show. Crap. And that one right there. That one right there. So when those safety screws are unscrewed, I'll give you a minute. So 1 second, I'll be back, guys. So yeah, guys, I wasn't unscrewing. I've already unscrewed it, like you can see. I was just fixing it because the whole thing just fell apart while I was showing you where to screw it. So when you're done unscrewing it, it's gonna come like all apart and stuff like that. So you're gonna lift off this, and the switch is just gonna fly out. And then you're gonna lift off that. And then you find the motor. Take out the motor. And if you wanna know what I do with the motors, I put them in here. The motors and switches. It's my bag of motors. So just plunk these in there. Oh. So yeah, and then it's basically done. You can just reassemble it. By putting 1 second, guys. So when you've got that done, you're just gonna get okay, there.